was a non-rated out of boot camp. And they have one job, which is a smoke watch up on the, like a crow's nest looking down at all the boiler stacks coming out. And that was back in the days of infancy on the radar, so if the smoke is seen over the horizon, the enemy can see you. So while up there, you would see all the air operations on an aircraft carrier. And I don't remember if this was on the Korean cruise when we were heading for Korea. But one of the planes, when I was on smoke watch looking down, I believe it was a torpedo bomber with the wings folded back. And these were reserve pilots brought back for the emergency. As the plane left the deck, the wing folded. The plane went to the left, down off the port side. They never recovered that pilot. Another time, a plane landed too hard, and he bounced off the starboard side and went into the ocean. We had a helicopter for rescue for pilots. The plane started burning, and I could see it, but the pilot got out, but the helicopter hovered down over the aircraft, and I believe it must have been a downdraft from the helicopter rotors. Put the fire out, the rope went down, the pilot went up, they saved him. It's quite a thrill. It's actually, you want to remember landing on a carrier is a controlled crash. That's about what it is. If they don't catch them, why they don't get stopped in time. Well, being aboard ship, it was kind of safe for us, really, except at one time when one of our planes come in and the 5-inch rocket didn't fire from the plane. And like I said, it's like a controlled crash. They hit the deck so hard. When he landed, he hit the deck, and the 5-inch rocket come rolling across the flight deck. And one of the airmen, he got a medal, I don't remember what it was, but he picked it up, or a couple of them did, and threw it over the side. I happened to be in the fire room on a watch at the time, and exploded when it hit the water. Now you want to remember, it's only a 5-inch rocket, and you think how big a torpedo is, you know, a couple of foot across or better. Our deck plates rattled, and there was a pretty good boom. And we didn't know what happened, but fortunately it was small and there wasn't any damage, so it didn't to speak of anyway. So but that was one experience I remember in the Korean War.